Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have my Heaven Panty for the month, and I have extra things in here. So if you use my link, or anybody else's link to get Heaven Panty, they will give you $20 to start, and they'll give me $20. And so you have a little bit of a bank going on. And then the subscription for one panty a month, there's different levels, is $13 a month, and you get $13 to spend in the shop along with your $20. So it's a win-win. It's like getting these for free. So it has built up, and I thought, well, I should use some of it. So let's see what I got. Sometimes they have different things in the shop. They do have some skincare, some sheet masks and things, but they often have panties, and then they have sets, bras and panty sets. And sometimes they just have bras, but this time when I looked, they had sets. So let's see what I got. So I did want to show you, this just comes this way. No one's ever going to know that you're getting panties. And I have 3 packages here. So I can't remember what I got. All right, I think this I think is my regular panty. So let's see. These are really nice reusable bags, great for traveling. Let's see what they sent me. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, it matches my blouse, this green. This is really pretty. Let me show it to you. I'm taking it off the card. It's the same color as my blouse, and it is, these are full briefs. These are a brief, and they are, excuse me, they have a waistband here, but then they're the no seam in the back for your bottom, okay, for your back side. So usually the tag will say that they're, oh, these are $25. Most of them are $15, but aren't these beautiful? First of all, I love that, I love that color. And then they're a brief. So they are silky in the back, plain silky in the back. And again, no show on your leg and your bum. And then they have the protection at the bottom where you need it. It's cotton. And then the front has this beautiful lace panel. Let me move that tag out of the way. And the waist is elastic. I like that. Some of the have the waistline is like this, and I'm not real fond of those because it has no edging to it. So in your slacks, or if if you're in an evening gown for Christmas or the New Year, these are going to be nice because no one's going to see that what you have on. They're not going to see your penny lines. So I really like these. These are really, really pretty. I love that color. Okay, so that is what I got for this month. My camera's a little bonkers there. And then let's see what I got with some of my money that they have stored away for me. I think I got 2 sets. Hopefully the cats won't bother us too much while we're opening. So this is a quick peek at this one. Oh, this is a bra. I don't see a panty with this one. Okay. This fell off, and this says that it's $45, if you can see that. This is beautiful. Very beautiful. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my. It has a little bit of a padding. It is an underwire. I think that print is so pretty. It's a very soft, like a rose pink background. And then it has navy blue. Yeah, that's navy blue and a light blue, almost gray flower. And there's a bow in the middle. Gorgeous. That's really, really pretty. And then the, these are adjustable as they should be. And wow. And then they do have the back has, the usual several different ways to adjust them. Very, very beautiful. Beautiful. I have not received any bras from them in the past. This is the first time. So I'm not sure that they're going to fit me because I don't have a very big cup size, but I got the smallest I could get. But let's see, this looks like this. Oh, maybe this is what I got was a set. Maybe this is the panty, because this looks like the same print. Let's see. Yes, this is the panty. So I did get just the set. And I don't remember how much it cost me, so to speak. That says $45, but of course they give you a discount in the shop. This says $45 also, so I'm not sure. I would say the set is probably $45. And this is a panty that matches the bra. Gorgeous. I love this rose. I love that misty rose. And then look at how pretty these are, y'all. Camille, you'll have to sit down. These are beautiful. There's the matching print. And this is like a full size, you know, a high waist type of a brief. Gorgeous. And then again, same thing. Nice. They're always nice and stretchy. They're very comfortable. This has the elastic around the legs. It has cotton where you need it. And these are beautiful. Look at that. And then with the bra. What a gorgeous set. Thank you, Heaven Panties. Those are gorgeous. So that's my Heaven Panties for today, y'all. And like I said, for you to try it, if you want one per month, you pay $13. That includes your shipping. Free returns, I do believe. They do, the first time they send you anything, they'll send you a measure tape, and so that you can really measure yourself to make sure you get the right size. And then you'll get $13 back into your bank to spend in the shop. So, and they do have new things in the shop all the time. You know, different panties, like I said, different sizes. You can, you know, if you end up with a lot of money in there, you can buy for other people. So it's really, they're nice quality. I will say that. Everything I've gotten from them has been very nice quality. So thank you to Heaven Panties for sending me these beautiful items. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.